Hello everyone, it's back. It's back from being repaired at Broadway Limited. So I had this on the channel a little while back, and everything was running fine with this locomotive except no smoke. So this was a refurbished unit, and essentially looked brand new, and I cannot debate that. Everything worked well except for the smoke. So we're gonna have a look at this today. It also came back with some documentation. The technician checked everything out, so it seems to be really good according to the technician. And also they had a little bit of advertising, new upcoming projects that are in the works. They have the new CPKC paint job, and where I work I have the CPKC main line, so I get to see everything. So there are a couple of units painted at the new paint job, so that's really cool. This was a refurbished unit, but it looked like new. I find a lot of value in the refurbished units, so I get them. I don't know what the tariffs, if there's going to be a lot of refurbished units available anymore, but long story short, it looks like a brand new engine. Everything's beautiful. So let's go put it on the track. The locomotive comes with a cheat sheet with the most useful DCC commands. This one's especially important. Startup shutdown, which is F9. So let's see if we can hook up to the locomotive. Number 2108. So let's see if that's been programmed in by the technician. Select loco, and then 2108. So loco for locos. Let's try the startup sequence. So I don't think it's been programmed in, so let's do it. Let's program that. Program track. Enter. Then standard. So it's working, so that's beautiful. Skip that. Setup address, let's do it. 003, it's perfect. Activate this address, yes. And then we'll do the long address, which he had 128. We're gonna put 2108. 2108. Enter. Activate this address, yes. And then we'll skip everything else. Okay, let's try F9 again. Yeah, they have quite the startup sequence on these, and open cogs at first also. So that's awesome. So F11 is smoke on or off. So let's do that. To access the higher functions on the NCE power cab, you have to do Shift and 0. And then to access function 11, you just go 1. And then the smoke unit should be on. So I will run that for a little bit. I'm going to add a couple of drops of the smoke fluid, and then we'll see if that helps. Also, everybody on every video, they're using F7, so I don't know about this F11 business. I'm just gonna add a couple of drops through the top here. Also, by watching other people's videos, it reminded me there's this master switch under the tender, so it's important to have that on. Now, I ran this for about half an hour yesterday, and let me just do F8. F8 turns the sound off, so we can talk. So I ran it for about half an hour yesterday. Oh, and the smoke comes out. Oh, that's amazing. I have smoke now. Pretty. So I'm going to move it forward then. That's awful strange. I had smoke and then no smoke. I'm going to try filling it up again. Maybe it ran out. So let's turn it on again just to see what happens. So then you see I have smoke and then no smoke. Seems to be quite a bit finicky. So I'm going to run it again around the track like that. So no smoke again. That smoke unit seems to be quite a bit finicky. So you know what? I'm just going to enjoy the Locomotive just like this. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking and beautiful running Locomotive with or without smoke. What do you say we put a train on there? So that would be fun, and we'll call that a day. Although if anyone sees, if you can tell what I'm doing wrong, you can put that down in the comments below. So I hit F7 quite a few times. All the people that I see doing videos on this, they hit F7 and they have tons of smoke right away. So if you can see what I'm doing wrong, put that down in the comments below. And now it's time to run some trains. I don't have the Reading and Northern passenger cars, but I've got these Norfolk and Western, which will be close enough. And this has the excellent rolling thunder system. So turn on your subwoofer and enjoy. We'll just be making a stop at the station. All aboard!